Guys, I'm Elisa from GS Audio and I'm here to present you our 2500 subwoofer amplifier. This is our high performance series. Here we have the speaker connection, not less than 1 ohm, 0.5 ohm only for short burp. Here the power supply, 50 square millimeters. On the other side we have the double LED for the protection and the power, the jack for the remote control, double RCA for the input and for the link to an equal amplifier, the gain control, the low pass filter, the subsonic control, and the bass boost control. You can find all the technical information on the website. And the amplifier is shipped with its data sheet, the remote control, and the screw for the mounting.